Hey guys, welcome back. Byron and I are back up here on the Cuesta Grade. We're in search of some new trails to ride. And last weekend while we were up here, we found these fresh cut trails. Fun. So this should be Rollercoaster, which is what we're here for. I believe that there are a bunch more trails here that look machine cut after Rollercoaster, at least a side piece of Rollercoaster. Cool. Yeah, dude, that was definitely worth the extra little climb. Yeah, for sure. Rollercoaster time. Look at that view though, come on. Beautiful. Well, there's some machine cut trails down here that look amazing. At least on the train tracks you can see them. There it is. We have found it. Oh, yeah. Ah. Oh, motorcycles. Super fenced off. Use some bicycles. We're good. All right, so this nice fresh cut has no name. All right. So we'll see how good this is. Hopefully it's long, or at least a little bit. We saw it down at the railroad tracks last weekend while we were here. Unfortunately, it was raining while we rode and freaking miserable, but so I didn't make a video out of it, but we had a good time, even though it was rainy and nasty. It didn't really start raining till the end while we were on the hardball climbing back up, so no trail damage from us anyway. Ooh. Glad they're putting out more trails up here. That's super cool. It's such an amazing place to ride. Oh, there went Byron up on the side of the mountain there. Oh yeah. It's like you want, it forces you up there. Look it. First run, have some fun with it. Definitely be doing this again, that's for sure. Looks like there's something else up there too. There could be two ways into this thing, honestly. Oh, unless it zigzags all the way around. Cool. I like it. Found some flow trail. Flow that you want to pedal on. Fantastic. Wow. Lied about the no pedaling. A little bit here and there. It's not like Cayucas. Well Rock was super pedally, super fun, but super pedally. You worked for every jump on Well Rock. Oh. That one came up quick. Super sharp. think that's where Red Dog comes down to. And this is also supposed to go under the tracks here. Let's see what this is like. This looks cool. Nice. Not bad, dude. It's different. I mean, the jumps aren't big by any means, but
It's like Whale Rock.
yeah, it's Whale Rock without pedaling. All right, so we had a good time on Rollercoaster. I'm not sure what's after Rollercoaster. I know the route to the left takes you back down to the bottom of the grade, right where the freeway is. It does appear that that's someone's house. So I flew the drone down there to kind of check it out, and yeah, I don't feel like trespassing or anything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and ride back to, I believe, Down and Dirty Slide. There's a couple of other trails down here we could do that we've already done in the past. So this may be the best method. All right. We brought it back over to this beast. It's actually a pretty decent little trail. What? Well, it's been a while since I ate shit. See it. Hi. Oh. Crap, we're doing it. Oh, freaking pole's ready to kill you. This is definitely good practice. It's just, I don't think the risk reward of getting punctured by a fence T-post sticking out of the ground is there.
Fair warning, guys, Creekside is a super fun trail. It's very techy, but it's also very, very dangerous.
Oh, Jesus.
There's tons of rebar and small chunks of metal and or T-posts that are buried fairly deep into the ground, but sticking them just far enough to get stuck into your gut if you fall over and make a mistake. Just be cautious while you're out here on this trail. It's definitely a great little area to kind of practice on your way off the grade, but just fair warning, it's kind of dangerous.
If I wouldn't have done that, I probably would have been fine. Ha! I made it over the tree. Oh. Yeah. Nope. Oh, my poor pedals. Dangerous ass trail. Totally worth it. Walk some of it. Walk it a few times before you ride it. You fall in certain areas, you're gonna get seriously injured by rebar or T-post.
Thanks again for coming along today, guys. I'm always having a great time out here on the Cuesta Grade, and I'm always in search of something new to ride. We'll see you next week.